Hey guys, welcome back to my small engine repair channel. Today I'm going to show you a cool mod upgrade on your Stihl MS170 chainsaw. Now that modification upgrade will be to convert the chain adjuster, which is located over here, right down here between the bar. It is a bit cumbersome, to a side chain adjuster. Now to do this modification upgrade, you will need kit number 1123-007-1000. These are the parts you will get in the small kit, and I do advise that you buy the OEM kit to do this. Now you can buy aftermarket kits as well, but the quality will not be as good. Now this is what I paid from my local Stihl dealer here in Canada, $25.68 plus 13% tax. So the first thing you want to do is remove the bar and chain. Now you can wear gloves if you want, if you're afraid to get cut on the chain. And the old adjuster fell out. Now here's the adjuster that comes with the saw when you buy it. It's the one that you adjust on the side here. The first thing you want to do is pop it out. Just pry it up like this. Now you can save this old adjuster for another saw if you want. The first parts I'm going to grab are these two here. You want to insert this metal part in the plastic part like that. Next, grab this part here, insert it in like this. Now grab the metal part over here and you want it on like that. And now just line up the metal part like this. Now this is what it's going to look like. Hold this part in really well. And now with a screwdriver, I'm going to turn counterclockwise. And the reason I'm doing that is because the little bolt here will screw into the metal part. And now your adjuster is all assembled. And I'm going to put a bit of lithium grease inside here, just so these gears are all lubed up. So it's good to have lubrication on these gears. So now what you want to do is insert the new adjuster right in the chainsaw like this. Just push it down. Now there's a small T27 torque screw that needs to go right here. If the adjuster is too way back covering the hole, then just turn clockwise to move it forward. And now just install your torque screw with a T27 Torx screwdriver and make sure it's on fairly tight. Now last but not least, there's a small plastic cover. It goes in this position here. And just pop it in there or push it in. And now you've got a nice side adjuster for your bar and chain. It's going to be a lot more handy than reaching in between the bar and the saw to adjust your chain. And as you just saw, it's so easy to install. And now where the screw was, it's covered, although the small plastic piece did leave a small tiny gap. And now just reinstall the bar and chain. You may have to readjust the adjuster here. So now just turn the screw to adjust the pin to the bar. So I'm turning counterclockwise to bring the pin back here. And now the pin's right in the bar. Now install the bar cover. Put the two nuts on, but leave them just snug. Don't tighten them up yet. Now the chain is way too loose on this saw, so I will adjust it using my new chain adjuster. Now hold the bar up, reach inside, turn clockwise. And now tighten up the two nuts. And this is a good tension here. I'm pulling it out about just ½ an inch and it pops right back in. And now you've got a nice side adjuster upgrade on your MS170. And there's the screw right between the two nuts. So I really like this upgrade. This is my personal saw. I bought it this summer for 200 bucks. It's great for limbing small trees and stuff like that. And I've also made a video on how to replace the sprocket on this saw. The link is in the top right-hand corner of your screen and also in the video description. Also, if you do this mod upgrade, you're going to find that it's a lot more convenient to adjust the chain on this chainsaw. Thanks again for watching, guys. Make sure to subscribe and that you're following me on Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram, and have a great day.